Welcome
back. Basically, I'm so excited. Okay,
So we saw
I
him
have to be
take.
quiet because we're looking doing this at night.
We chillin'. So we saw on TikTok people buy tiny wubble bubbles and they fill them with slime. We're lazy AF, so
Yeah,
we didn't
we
buy.
bought-
Yeah, we just bought it.
We bought our already made slime, and
And so
these were the last two left, so it was meant to be.
Loki, we're not gonna watch a tutorial. We're just gonna hopefully hope this
We're
works.
just gonna do it.
Oh my god, wait, it feels really good.
Squishy.
Supposedly they're supposed to feel like Neatos. Oh, why is mine wet? Why is it wet?
It's greasy.
Bro, we ruined my wubble bubble.
Oh my god.
Okay, wait, here are
it feels so
instructions.
good.
Okay.
I could eat this right now.
Eat it, that's nice.
It looks like so edible, does it not?
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck?
It's not going in.
For me.
It's not going in.
Oh, it's not? Why?
Bro. I said not going in the hole, right? It's too tight.
Just stop. Oh my god, mine is neither. The pin
Wait, I
bit
think
is
I
too
got
big.
The pig might win in. Yeah, you like make the hole big,
Huh?
and then I think you shut. You make the hole big,
Huh?
and then you.
I'm gonna hold it open and you puncture it, okay?
Okay.
Okay. We're trying to speedrun this, so this is a little setback.
2-player obby, bro, and we're failing.
Let your boom and make it boom.
Push it!
Oh, run in. Never mind, I figured it out.
I'm sorry. That's so cool.
Cut the cameras. Oh, it's actually like stuck.
Oh my god.
Oh shit. I'm opening the slime.
Wait, this is so cool. It's like an actual bubble.
Stop the cap.
Wait, why are they heavy?
Heavy bubble. It's clouds. Oh, okay. It's cloud
Ooh,
slime.
it's hecky wet at the bottom, bro. So I'm trying to get it all out.
This does not smell like rainbow sherbet.
Shut your.
Sure,
Sherbet.
sherbet is great.
Okay. So,
Oh.
this is so fun. This is like healing my inner child.
Shut your bitch ass up.
Make these, but
You did
I
not
would
make
make-
bubble bubbles.
no, but I would make them with actual balloons and my own slime. Like,
Stop the cap.
Did you have a
we did
business for
not-
that too?
Yeah. I think we did sell some of
You
those.
did.
Stop the cap.
And then all the money mysteriously vanished.
No, we just didn't have the money for this, so now I have the money to buy these.
Didn't you steal the balloons from your mom's job? What do you mean you didn't have enough money for that?
Oh, hell.
Fine. I'll keep my fingers in it until you're ready.
Bro, this is pretty bad. Blind people watching this.
Wait, Allison, what do you think moves faster, sound or light?
Let's
Should we test it?
Let's
Okay,
test
wait,
it.
Lucky. Tell me when to start.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
3, 2, 1. Oh shit.
I think
Test it
low-key-
again.
Wait,
No,
I
test
think
it
it was
again.
low key this time. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. You have to tell me when.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, it
Yeah,
didn't go.
no.
It didn't go. It didn't go.
Oh
Wait, wait,
man. 3, 2, 1.
wait.
The sound. My wubble bubble pussy.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck?
Oh no, it's okay.
It's not gonna close.
It's not?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
You think so? It's because it was a tiny wubble bubble.
Stop the cap.
Wait, I think it will.
But
I think
we're-
it will. I think it will. I think it will. Look, it definitely will. It just ripped the hole open a little more. It's definitely gonna close. Okay, it's gonna close. It's gonna close.
It looks like
It's a shark's butt cheeks. It's gonna close. Chill. We just have to fill
more.
it. Yes.
Fucking
Yes,
more.
more. We're putting this entire thing in here.
Huh?
The tongue was unnecessary. Bro, I can't get Epstein, bro.
This looks so wrong. No one shows you the process.
Shut your bitch ass up.
Yeah.
I think we didn't even watch
We didn't
a
watch it,
tutorial.
yeah, we didn't. Low key, but if he's end up fire, they end up fire. Put it down my pants.
Oh my god, you should make it.
Okay, wait, give it a sec. Let it chill, let it chill.
Let it breathe. Love this thing.
Dude, hey.
Fucking I need a wait.
We can low-key use it as a support.
Huh? Huh?
You didn't wipe good enough, eh? Oh, I'm really scared. Mine's gonna rip.
Oh shit, smart. We're almost done.
Holy
Yours is gonna be
yes.
so good. I like hers.
Oh, why they stuck? It's because you don't fuck up a hole.
What the hell?
Bro, that's the germ. That's the germ's origin.
Oh my god, I should make him into the shape of a germ.
Bro, I'm trying to be the germ.
No, you don't want to be the germ. Here. We're almost done, guys. Last piece.
Last bit in the hole. Here, wait, let's shape it like a diff.
Oh, hell no.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Oh my god. So it won't come out.
So?
Test it. That's. I'm gonna shape it like the. We're gonna try to.
Oh, hell no.
Wait, the one where they're like, I am.
Fuck
No. It looks like a butt. Literally.
Why does it look
The
like
butt
an
with the
actual
hole,
butthole?
bro.
Why does it look like an actual butthole? Do you know this happens to women that give birth? Their
We
butthole
literally
rips,
talked about
bro.
this. We talked about this.
In our past video?
No, just now.
Huh?
Yeah. Well, this is why I'm
Why,
scared of giving
why are you
birth.
sticking it in the hole, bro? That's some sort of. There's gotta be some sort of problem.
Poop simulation.
How do I get it to change color? Your hand on
think
Oh,
you
you
guys
have to
should
put it
put
on
more.
for a while.
Ooh.
Bruh.
Look, let me
Oh,
try.
shit, bro.
Let me try. You have to let it cook. Let it cook. Bring warmth to my hand. Let's stack them. It'll come up. It'll come up. Your hands
Ooh,
are
why are your
cold.
hands so warm?
That's why I'm saying. That's why it won't work with yours.
Oh my god, and then I have a little carrying case for it.
Shut your bitch ass up.
But I look
Why does my hand look like that?
Why are your fingers so fat, bro?
What the hell?
You're giving prehistoric. 30,000 years ago, we found this handprint on a wall. It belonged to the fucking jam.
Are you calling me the jerk? Fine. Because you can't. Why am I doing that? Hers is actually perfect. That's good.
Wait, let me make it into a ball first. Make it as close to a ball as you can. Oh, I thought he was about to make his debut.
What the hell?
What is butt cheeks?
Bro, why is hers fat? pH. Oh, don't smack your ass like that.
Okay, then you make it a
Okay,
circle.
what the hell are you doing? Whole reveal, whole reveal. That's crazy, you're giving that away for free.
Hey guys, this is the success.
We're so fast. Expect more videos from us soon, maybe. But we know you've been waiting for the sequel, so we're so glad we were able to provide. And we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.
Guys, I figured out I can make him dead.
I'm trying to clean up. Wait, helicopter. We gotta try.
Make it into a dead.
Isn't it? No, it's like a. It needs to be curved a little. It's like a pickle.
She said, why is it a chode? Can we make yours into a dead?
You can open there's like shit on your page for me saying this. Wait, second first beat. Oh, fucking catch. Oh my god.
Flash. Oh, it's so pretty.
Oh, mine's good.
Yeah, yours is actually big and like sturdy.
That's what they all say.
Probably not turd.
Why do we keep getting closer?
Guys, I'm so happy. Life is good. Life wasn't bad. I just needed to make wubble bubble squishies with my best friend. They literally look like implants.
What the?
I got a boob job.
Oh, wait, let me feel.
They're tender, right?
No,
Oh, you got a BBL?